In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make grid in Inkscape. A clean, well-tuned grid is the foundation of precise vector work, whether you're laying out icons, planning a poster, or exploring isometric drawings. We'll walk through creating a grid and tailoring it so it actually supports the way you design. First, launch Inkscape on your desktop. Give it a moment to load your workspace so all menus are available. Next, open an existing document or create a fresh one. If you already have artwork, the grid will help you align and measure as you refine it. If it's a new file, you'll be setting things up correctly from the start. Now head to the File menu at the top of the screen. This is where Inkscape keeps the settings that control your document's structure. Choose Document Properties. This panel governs page size, display units, and, importantly for us, the grid controls you'll use throughout your project. In the Document Properties panel, switch to the Grids tab. This area is dedicated to creating and managing the grids that overlay your canvas. From the Grid Type dropdown, pick Rectangular for standard square grids, or Axonometric for angled grids used in 3D style and isometric drawing. After choosing the type, click New to add it to your document. Rectangular is great for UI layouts, logos, and typography alignment, while Axonometric supports designs that suggest depth or 3D structure. With the grid created, adjust spacing X and spacing Y to control how large the grid squares appear. Smaller values produce a tighter grid for detailed work. Larger values create broader guides for big shapes and layout blocks. Pick a spacing that matches the scale of your artwork so your snapping and alignment feel natural and predictable. Next, set the major grid line interval. This defines how often a darker, more prominent line appears, such as every 5 lines. Major lines act like visual milestones, helping you count distances quickly and keep proportions consistent as you build or edit elements. Anytime you want to clear the view or bring your guides back, toggle grid visibility with the shortcut number sign, Shift+3. This is perfect for checking your design without guides and then snapping back into a precision view in an instant. Remember, grids are non-printing helpers, so they won't appear in exports. And that's it. You've created a practical, customized grid in Inkscape, ready to support clean, consistent, and accurate design work.